All right, 817. That'll be a good one there. We're just barefooted in the parking lot. I did a little video of the antenna and the truck and the location. We're just sitting here in the parking lot. 817 808 with the wave. Aloha.
Yeah, you're doing good. Yeah, that kind of thing don't even sound like you barefooted too, but I know you are. But I'm just telling you, man, that kind of thing will sound like at least you're running a driver in that mobile, man. 808 out that work site. Take care. Get back to work out there. I'll see ya.
All right, man, I'm going to get back to work. It's almost lunch. I got a half an hour to lunch. I'll see you 817. I got a gate running too. I'll see you.
Dead for it, dead for it. Okay, 808. I'll keep it rolling for a short bit out here in this parking lot. Take it 808, downtown Phoenix. Read in the mail. I'll see you now.
Hey, downtown Phoenix, you're blowing smoke into the mall. Hey, down there. Downtown Phoenix, 420 Denver, waving to the Diamondbacks.
Right back. Here come the Diamondbacks staying again. Hello, 420. Good morning time from Arizona. 420 Denver, 817 Mobile. Good morning.
Good morning.
I heard you saying good morning, Danielson. I heard you saying good morning, Danielson, but it's rough and tough. How do you catch the handle there?
Contact. Okay, there, 420. Well, you're doing real good, man, out here. No doubt about it, man. Have yourself a blessed work day on your end. Take it at 420 Denver, 817 Mobile. Gone.
On aisle 5. Aisle Jimmy, on aisle 5.
I think it was snowblower up in there. Hey, snowblower, Danielson, Tucson, I'm waving.
10-4. Yeah, I got sticky move coming out of doggone Oklahoma out there, and I'm not even out of location. Take it at 420. Take your sticky move. 0817 Mobile out here reading the mail, downtown Phoenix. I'll see ya.
Man, that A17's got a big old hammer. A17's got a big old hammer, cleaned up my receive. There's like 5 or 6 in there. But when 817 keyed down, you all disappeared. 420 Denver.
Man, it's rough and tough. If that was you, snowblower, you have the best day, sir.
Contact. Well, you put that wave right back on them out there. No doubt about it. You put a wave on out there. Sticky move. We'll bump it on you later. Sticky move. And 420, 817. Bye.
A17, roll 5 to that stick and move. Tell him 427. Good morning.
That's my Roger. While you're laying in the car. Okay, sticky move. We'll catch you later. Have yourself a great day. Sticky move. 420, 808. All the good time gang. 0817 Mobile sitting right downtown Phoenix, Arizona. I'll see you. Bye.
That's a great spot there, 817.
Yeah, you know what? I might come over here if it's not busy. I might come over here when start hearing you out here because man, you got a good signal out here.
Yeah, I got you 9 swinging in the red, man. Put a big old X on that spot, man. That's like a Kahalu boat ramp right there.
Yeah, 10-4. No kidding. Yeah, when you sit at that boat ramp. Okay, then, we'll catch you later, man. Go get 'em. 817 Mobile. Gone.
It's lunch break. I gotta go eat lunch. I'll see you.
Well, what you eating today? You gonna go get yourself a plate lunch?
No, I got a roast beef sandwich I made this morning, so we're gonna do something simple. 10-4. All right, Mother Nature's falling out. I'll see you 817.
Contact. Go eat your roast beef sandwich, and then I heard my friend out there. He said it is lunchtime. 817 Mobile. Gone.